Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 sites to make $140 using your phone. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen all over YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called JustAnswer. So on this website, you can earn an average of $2,000 to $7,000 a month. Now it says here, earn money when you answer questions in your field of expertise online. Set your own hours and work anytime, anywhere. And right here, you can apply to become an expert. All they ask for is your name, email address, number, and select the category. So here are the categories right here, if you see. So if you have expertise in any of those categories, you'll be a good fit here. Now let's just look and see how it works. So make money doing what you love. Leverage your professional expertise to answer people's questions and earn cash. And you can work anywhere, anytime online. All you need is an internet connection and a computer or a smartphone. Work as much as you want. Set your own hours and choose the questions you want to answer. Now here's the application process. There's no sign-up fees. All you have to do is supply your social security number, valid identification. They're going to do a background check. So guys, make sure everything's all good with your background. Then after that, you're going to start making money. Now, here are some of the frequently asked questions. So how long does it take to become an expert? So the application process usually takes less than 2 weeks in USA and Canada, and less than 3 weeks elsewhere. So guys, it might take a minute to become an expert, but it's going to be well worth the wait, guys. Then they let you know if you've been approved by email. And then I know this is very important. You guys want to know this. How will I get paid? So experts get their platform earnings every month through Hyper Wallet. So you have to just go there and sign up. And you can choose to receive your payments through direct deposit, PayPal, Venmo. And this is only in US. So I'm sorry guys, people in other countries, it's only really for the US and Canada. And you need to have PayPal or Venmo, or you can just give your bank account so you can get direct payments. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. I have another website I want to show you. So that's why I wasn't on here too long. So if you're ready to get started at this website, go ahead and go to JustAnswer.com. Fill this out to become an expert and start getting this money. Now, let me go to the next website. Okay guys, I'm at the next website. The name of this website is sixya.com. So on here is similar to the last website. So on here, instant expert help over the phone. So you can do this all over the phone, guys. So let's just read a little bit about it. Now check this out. This website has been featured on CNN, NBC, Fox, USA. So you know this is a legit website, guys. Now, this is how it works. So our expert will call you in 30 seconds. Then they're going to resolve most issues over a 5-minute call and all the help you need for fractional costs, so it's affordable. So what you're going to do once you come here, guys, you're going to click right here where it says become an expert. It's going to take you to this page, and all you do is fill in your name, email address, mobile number, zip code, and click right here, start earning. So why should I join Sixy? So earn for every call you take. Set your own schedule. Average call is only 4 to 5 minutes long. Share your expertise. Use your professional knowledge to help people with their product problems. So whatever expertise you have, guys, all you do is share that over the phone 4 or 5 minutes. You're going to get paid. Now, this is how it works. So you're going to set your availability and take calls anytime. So you'll be able to set your availability right here. As you can see, you put do not disturb or schedule do not disturb. Then a user is going to call you. And then this is how much you can charge and how much you get paid. So this is how to get started. Sign up, create your Sixy profile in less than 5 minutes. Verify your experience. So tell us about your relevant experience in a brief phone session. Then number 3, make money helping people. You decide how many calls to accept and when. And that's something, guys. It's very, very simple to start and make money on this website. And here are the expert types. So if you have knowledge in veterinarian, you can give your expertise on that. Appliance repair, auto repair, tech support, tutoring, and business. And here are what some of the experts are saying. So you probably want to come here and read some of them. I'll just read one of them. So this person right here says, great app, make some extra money helping people with my knowledge. Now here's the frequently asked questions. So I'll read this one and say, how much will I earn? So that's entirely up to you. Experts are paid out on per call basis. So the calls you take, the more you earn. And I'll just read one more. So how will I get paid? So this is similar to the last website. You're going to get direct deposit, PayPal, or they'll send you a check. All right, guys, so that's all I'm going to say about this website. If you want to go ahead and get started making some money just giving your expertise on this website, go ahead and go to sixya.com, click on Become an Expert, and get started. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help this video to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these websites. And please share this everywhere because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, that's it. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I really appreciate the support. Keep sharing my videos. If you're sharing them, keep hitting that like button. Help this channel to grow. Let's get to 8,000. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, guys, on that note, make sure you get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.